Man, that's so bright. Welcome back everyone to another episode of Tyler's Fishing Post, and in this video we are going to be doing something that this channel has never seen before. We are going to be bass fishing. Hopefully we can whack some giants today. And let's just jump right into the juicy B-roll. Let's get started. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below what you want to see me do on my next video. You can follow me on my Instagram, Tyler's Fishing Post, and let's just jump right into it. Thank you guys so much.
It's easy to set a young heart on the run, to see it crashing out the sky, falling one by one, walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I could ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love, we've said goodbye. There's nothing I could ever say to change your.
There we go, got him. Oh my gosh, guys. This is a nice one. Yeah. Oh my gosh. There you go, have it. There you go, got him. First fish of the day, guys, nice. He doesn't feel big. Jeez, guys. Nice. First little fish of the day. We're just gonna fish offshore a little bit. Right out here, off from these lily pads, like second cast. Nice. There you go, got him. Oh gosh. Whoa, guys. Jeez, that was crazy. Fish, you almost got ka-chowed there. Like, so I was throwing a frog up in there, and like, he's big. Yeah, so this alligator was chasing my frog, and I just kind of wanted to get him out of the way, and I was trying to scare him, and I just caught this fish. So fish, I'm gonna release you on this side, that you don't get ka-chowed by this gator right here. So see you, little fishy. You got a nice one. Is it still on? He might be. Oh, nice. Nice. Let me grab the net. Barely hooked. Nice, guys. Here we go. Get the boat before it crashes. Man, flipping. Man, he's a solid, like, I don't know, 3, 4. Jeez, guys. Sweet. Hold at 3, oh, almost 4. 314. There you go, got him. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one, guys. He's another 2. Come on, stay on. Oh, don't strip the line. Oh, guys. That was a nice one. Jeez, guys. He got me in the Kissimmee grass and just got off. That was probably 2 or 3. Oh, man, guys. That is frustrating. There you go, got him. Got him, guys. This is a nice one. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Nice. Guys, this is the first fish I've caught on a frog this year. Barely hooked. Nice, guys. First fish on a frog. This is gonna be a fun day. First fish on a frog this year. Not a huge fish, 2 pounds, nice and fat. Nice fish. There you go, got him. Oh my gosh, guys, nice. Man, I wonder how many fish we can catch on a frog. Man, this fish is so skinny. Look at that. Look how skinny he is. That's crazy. Third fish, nice. That looks good over there. There we go, got him. Oh my gosh, guys. This is a nice one. Jeez, that hurt right. Yes, yeah. Or not. Nice, thanks. Whew, gosh, guys. Oh, that hurt my thumb so bad. Jeez. Right there. Look at that. Got both hooks in them. Oh man, guys. Oh, shaking. That was crazy. He's nice, about 2-pounder. Man, there's probably a lot more all down here. Nice fish.
2 hours later.
There we go. Oh my gosh. Whoa, completely didn't even see him. I looked up and my frog was just gone. Apparently he came up behind it and just like sucked it down. Man, this fish is skinny. Man, he needs to eat more. Man, that's a skinny fish. Nice. We've been fishing for a little while. I haven't been catching a whole lot, but oh, there's another little bass right there. I wonder if I can flip my speed worm to him. Let's see, where is he? Right there. Oh, he doesn't want it, guys. That's crazy. Nice little fish. There we go, got him. That's a nice one. That's a nice one, guys. I got a bass. Yeah. Stay on. Stay on. Is he still on?
Yeah, he's underneath there.
Okay. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at this little tiny fish. Look at that. Man. Crazy. Man, look at that little fish. That was a nice blow up too. Gosh. Nice little fish. I will look at the radar. Okay, let's see. Oh gosh. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, we're just about to get hit. Oh my gosh. It's red too.
Eventually.
There we go, got him. Oh my gosh. Nice one, guys. Oh, don't, oh, you wrapped me. Jeez, guys. Same exact spot. After the rain, man, I was popping it and I just stopped it to put the power poles up. He choked it. Nice, guys. He's like 2. Oh, that was crazy. Just right out in the open too. Like, I think they want it slower now. Just kind of popping it. I stopped it for like a couple seconds and then poof, nice. Yeah. There we go. Nice. Nice, guys. Another little fish. Sweet. Yeah, it rained a lot. Now the water's flowing in for some reason. So it was flowing out, but now it's bringing all the duckweed back in. Nice little fish. Well guys, these are the fish of the day. And if you look over there, it's about to pour. And we're gonna get out of here. These are the fish of the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're gonna let them go. We're about to get soaked. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week.